Hello everyone, welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to get standard charges from a quotation to a job in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in Fresa Application. After a successful login, this is what our dashboard looks like. Open the respective job. Navigate to the Costing tab. And click on the Get Job Charges button. Select the type as quotation and choose the required quotation number. Once selected, the charges for the quotation will be displayed. Select the required charges from the list. After selecting, click on the Submit button to proceed. After submission, the selected charges will be available on the job page under the Costing tab. These are the steps to get standard charges from a quotation to a job in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.